guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and I hope you guys are ready for this motivation. I am doing my kids' bedroom rooms transformation. I am getting rid of this bunk bed. I'm so over it. I don't enjoy making the beds on this bunk bed, and we need to get rid of it. So they are getting separate beds, and I am going to take a part of this bunk bed all by myself because my husband had to go to work. So I hope you guys are ready for this room transformation, and let's just get right into it.
Love hearing all your stories about the drunk.
When I say I was struggling so hard trying to get this bed apart, but I eventually got it. The screws were kind of stripped, so I needed to put some WD-40 into it and some real arm muscle. But I finally got it, and of course my camera died in the middle of me trying to get the bed taken apart. So I said, forget it. I'm going to finish taking this bed apart, and I'm not going to press record because I need everything to charge up, and the baby was getting fussy, so I had to stop multiple times.
Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? No. You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else.
I am just going to put their beds together. We just went to Walmart and got some new like little bed rails or whatever. They actually were really easy to put together, so it took me all of maybe 10 minutes to put together both, and then probably not even 10 minutes. That's dramatic, but to put together both, it took a short amount of time.
You laugh, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. I know that I messed up, wish I could take it back, but it doesn't matter when you look at me like that. I know that I f***ed up, but that doesn't work as an excuse. Sorry doesn't cut it, but I'm sorry for what I did to you. Can only sleep with the TV on. Ever since you left, I'm going through the motions. I'm laying here looking at the door. Please come home, you belong by my side, babe. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again. If you could just listen to what I have to say, a minute of your time, that's all I want, then I'm out of your way. Maybe I'm selfish for wanting what I want. It's all games till someone gets their heart broken, my love. I can only sleep with the TV on. Ever since you left, I'm going through the motions. I'm laying here looking at the door. Please come home, you belong by my side, babe. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again. 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 I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again.
And now I'm just unboxing our son's brand new bed, mattress. We end up getting him a memory foam mattress, and just slapping that right on top. And we got some new sheets, so I am washing those at the moment during this part of the video. I'm washing them, and then I will be making up their beds later on.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
This is their room setup now. My daughter likes unicorns and she likes rainbows, and my son likes Minecraft. So that's their beds. Their dressers are out. And you'll see later on in videos, I moved all of their school stuff downstairs. So yeah. And now I am just going to fold away the bedding that they had on their beds previously, and I am going to move on to my room.
Why don't we just get a place together?
I recently just washed all of our bed sheets, so literally like maybe 2 days ago I washed our bed sheets. So I'm just going to fold up my comforter and put that away because it was clean, and I'm going to strip my bed and wash these bed sheets because I do breastfeed and I got a little bit of milk on the bed sheets, so I'm going to wash those before I put those away. And I am going to put our brand new bed sheets that we got on our bed, and I also got a new comforter that I've been begging my husband to get a new comforter for. So yeah.
Wanna get you closer to my body, wanna feel your hands all over me, gotta make them jealous, everybody, 'cause you know we got it, chemistry. I get all around me, I get chemistry.
this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some motivation. And I hope you guys like the kids' bedroom transformation. I'm not done with it. I want to put some stuff on the wall to make it feel more roomy, but I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. So yeah, please make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.